Hey, my name is Angel. I'm going to explain you here in this really quick video how Silverpost works for. In this case, we're going to try to explain how this works for a market. So this is basically the screen. Of course, in this system, you can customize your screen, the buttons, colors, and even positions and all that stuff. But we got here this template. It's going to be enough to explain how this works. And so we're gonna try to do one transaction. So but just let me tell you, then we have here is a printer, one normal scanner, cash drawer, and normal terminal with 2 screens. So that's gonna be enough for this example. So we're gonna try to scan one item here, but let me show you something. So when we are under this status here with no transaction on it, so the other screen, so can you try to, it's able to show different pictures and you can customize your own pictures here. So, and then it's going to display something like this. But as long as you are starting to hit your third item like this, it's going to change like this. As you can see here, the customer on the other side is going to be able to see each line when you are trying to hit a different item. So I will hit another one. I will scan this. I will try this because this one is not into the system. We are gonna do another example with this, but we're gonna try this. And as you can see, it's the monster and then the price. And let's go back here. So we are going to try to scan this. This one actually is not into the system, but we will see how easy it is to put a new item into the system. So we're going to scan this. If the system, if this item is not into the system, it's going to pop up this screen with our first step, which is select the category for this item. So I would say produce, just an example, or I would say, yeah, products. And then when I hit OK, the second step is to put the price. So I'll say $5. And then the last step is gonna be just put the name. So you'll see here. This is the name here. And then hit this button, which is OK. And finally, it's just to confirm then all the information was correctly. Just for example, if I made a mistake with a subcategory, so I can hit perfectly this button and change before to save this item. So I would say just into grocery, just an example, and I'll hit OK. And then I can double check all the information, and if everything is correct, I just need to hit this button. And now the item is into the system, so I can come here with this. And if I scan again, so as you can see, it's gonna bring your item now. So, and then that's the easy way to add items into the system. Really easy, really simple. And then to finalize this transaction, so we got this. So in this case, in this template, we put these buttons right here, and then we can hit the 50 buttons. So we hit play, and then it's gonna bring your receipt, it's gonna open your report, and then it's gonna pop up this with the change information. So just hit OK, and that's gonna be enough. So another thing is, so if we hit another item here, and then hit this one too, we are gonna add this couple items, so this one too, and then if I hit this total EBT, the system is going to change to the status telling me the total specifically for EBT. And then also I will see here in green color all my items which applies for EBT, and it's going to steal as a blue color the item which doesn't apply for EBT. And then in the other side, it's the screen, the customer also is going to be able to see the EBT like this. So I will hit cash, So we will take a look really quickly here into Manager, and we got this really simple reports or this other reports, and then functionalities like, for example, to change the tax rate, you just need to hit this button, just an example, and then to put the new rate on it. Sorry. And then just close, and your new rate, it's applied. So same thing with printers, really simple, really to customize the printers. And yeah, that's very good. That's all.